Oshana Montua, Ghana for the Shibi Mugusua, ye to teach you the aposophobium. Sometimes you wonder what the Ghanaian wants to see or know. Sheni Pebinim Swa, Esosonia, my Nsem Fatasu or Ghana, among your 70. A person even abnormalities are normal in this country. Nyoma Bibiri Waha. In Chai, but Ejina baby and Nipanijina Eba Manyo Sama. And we shouldn't even think there being solutions to the problem of this country when Yan Shasi and Tree and when Fin your ma Tisano. And the Yama, a nipe binuma omono, Omanamo two, Omokasa, Omoneyo, and your ma Nsem Fatano, Yama heroes at the expense of the country. Yes, so Amanaba, yes, sir. Now, you be not you knew who see two son. So I say, Inti Bibia echoes to my Amanyo Sema, Nsem Fata, I am from Puntumba, and Fan Kabum, and a year in Kunindi Mano. So Amanyo Semna Yatwa China Yakofa, the Dim Papa, Munikasa, Nsem Fatane, the Ekume, Emia Kunkoye Chino. And that's what gradually is overtaking the country. Intina. World Radio Day Sunday, Namika introspection, radio for the pluses and the minus. Say minus abro pluses which I doubt, but I get it closer. You're careful because radio is a powerful tool, especially the traditional media. Very powerful tool. Say I'm managing a year a baby na ehunsunsu say ye papa no na akoye boni radio papa enipem radio ka busuabom radio timi di mpuntu ba radio timi mankoso ni nipa system yedie bibia timi sisi na kwanso but ya hihye hu yi because uhwempa there's a heavy responsibility now on the media, especially the radio and TV and print traditional ones and say the best sanctuary in your memu now you're adapted to the changes of the world and the profession now. They are picking those that are development oriented, those that are focused on building people's capacity, those that are focused on giving people genuine entertainment. Now you see BBI a da se bra be ma yakra so a ye ne ba ye so kura bi wa akofa na de uni edin tokwa edin papemu edi kasa ensem fata edin tro eni nyoma ensem fata na eba nti anope. In as much as there's a day called Valentine's Day, and I think that we should do a lot of reflections, even in our demonstration of genuineness in terms of love and loyalty. So what I say, it's very important. Say, you can't no fafa, and you can't Valentine's Day or Dwaso Nkwaya than the channel, they are done in your near too. I did my name say. We are just talking, but we don't have it. We don't pick it. So what I say, Obia Kabina, Obia yes, but Kasa party. So what I say, anyhow. So in the case of mine, how I die, so no, I am pretending in him how no. Na yam more say at least a how no or mine be jatuna kuku so no, you be share how no yet me to 2 how ni biasia. So ya amfa kuku draw and me to 2 how ni biasia. Yebetna se de bia daye MPP NDC nanado
without that conscious effort
solution bia it's becoming very worrying. Say a teacher for better now bro the normal time I also community na egusuko I say o mine a helpless situation. So as I say caterers be kwa koye aduane na ho akatua ho nsem no akoye bibie wo a helpless situation. Obeko the hospitals and still be them the bench. So what are we doing to save the situation? Indeed, the challenges of this country are enormous. The contribution of the media is very key and relevant. And nuntina the oboni century jumano ye in churchia and I am behind my new baby and a very, very worrying. Indeed, well, I'm not in the best of mood this morning because Ghana continues to be doing a zigzag approach to realities of life. Everybody, you be born kunsa, yeah, zigzag. Nanya chumso taking over us. No, asembi ebesi Ghana. We are so to an amompe near the fatu hamba as soon as you want and the issue about principle, a problem in this country. Obia be principle that no jina baby owo. So I say, and we continue to be beneficiaries of an illegal open loose system. So nobody wants to correct that system. Because all of us are beneficiaries. What about 2 and a month or percent correct system? Who on our head over a Timidbesia, wish everybody a Valentine's Day if only you believe in it.
Yeah.
And by way of information, Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3, Accra Lions 1. And
that's a league table, no still I that's wrong.
And almost team Biakobo said draw, he said team B, team B.
And halfway, and
almost team B as a bus style, then the Cardona. I don't know, but I don't. And nobody now would do Coco. I don't remember the last time Omo paint you Omo spray Omo Kano. Team B, Omo head office, you know. Omo train wa boom team B basa.
Now Michelle Omo bas no na atmoto overhead na say si hono ma.
So Omo team B edi.
Debi.
Okay.
Esi wa say
Omo team B edi.
Debi.
No be akojina so dia
Debi. Kwabena.
I'm saying by way of information, Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3, Accra Lions near 1. And a team being so say strikers no. On bet Messi actually akofa
you know strikers are more retirement
time. And the team is old time euphobia. Yeah, Jomo Koso.
Check say be
yeah, Siaga. Can I near Bosch short and the name of